this is Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. I am going to be doing an unbagging today, as you can see. Every has contacted me to do a review, but the only thing that they wanted me to review was their bookmarks. So I still haven't seen the quality or anything on their actual diamond paintings. So I'm thinking of either contacting them about if they want to cooperate with the diamond painting or if they just want to do the bookmark. I might purchase one. I'm not sure because I really haven't looked through their site to see if there's something on there that interests me. But this is the bookmark that I chose. And they cost $3.99 each. And I went through as a regular customer, and because it showed that it was no cost for the shipping because they sent it to me themselves, but I put it in as if I was going to order it, and it showed that the shipping was $3.99 as well. So this would actually cost $8 if you were to buy just one single item bookmark. But I'm not sure if they have some kind of free shipping if you purchase a larger amount. I can't say. All I know is this would have cost $3.99 to ship, and the bookmark itself is $3.99. So here, that package was what it came in, and it did come nice and flat. It's not damaged or anything. And this is the diamond. This is what the bookmark looks like. Here's a picture of what it looks like on their website. But this actually has quite a bit to do. I can say it's not centered on there correctly. You can see that there's more of an gap edge over on this side than there is on that side. But other than that, it looks good. The kit that they give you is a regular, just basic kit, a green boat, a pink pen, and a regular size pink square of wax. I'm gonna check this. Sticky. I mean, it's poured glue because they, it's actually somewhat the shape of the drills that are on here. It seems, it seems sticky enough for the drills to be able to stick to it. And this type of a project only takes a couple of hours, so it can be done in between projects, or just if I want to take something into the bedroom or the car or something like that. But I love the purples and the blues, and that's why I chose this one. I've never actually used one for a bookmark after it's got the drills on it, so I'd be interested to know if any of you have actually used one of these bookmarks. I do have, I do know that this type of thing needs to be sealed, because you're not going to want to, put this in a book if you do use it as a bookmark and have it get adhesive possibly onto your book, or the drills could get moved around. I use Liquitex on things like this, and this is what it looks like. I get it on Amazon. I'll link it for you down below. But a little goes a long ways. I've done several projects on this, and I still got about 3/4 of the 3/4 of it left. And you don't need a very thick layer of it, and it is bendable once you use it. So let's look at these drills that came with it. Okay, so it looks like there are 8 colors, or 8 different shapes. Yeah, I see an 8 on here, a 7, 5, 6, 4. Okay, so the 6 on here, as you can see up here, it's a 6. Down here, it looks like it's 9, because all the other numbers are going in one direction, but the 6 actually says 9 down here at the bottom. but it's the same exact location on the bookmark as the 6 is at the top. So I'm guessing that that's what that is, because I only have the 8 colors. So just to verify that, there's number 6. It's this teardrop blue. And number 7 are the sliver teardrops in a darker blue. And number 8 is a AB coated red teardrop, which goes around the teardrops that go around the center here. And numbers 1 through 5 are rhinestone, and then we have an AB white. And okay, number 1 is rhinestone, different shades of purple, number 1 and 2. And then number 3 is a blue rhinestone. And number 4 is an AB white color. Love that there's so many ABs in this. And number 5 is a bunch of purple teardrops. So I guess it came in with the chain of drills because there were a lot more of them, as where these have several, just a few, so that's why they came in baggies. I don't know why some will come in with the chain and some are separate like this. But there are only 8 colors, so yeah, if you actually have this particular bookmark and you're wondering where number 9 is, it's actually number 6. So yeah, that's it. If I actually can do this up before the video goes up, I will post a picture of the completed piece of it here, right here on the screen. But otherwise, that would be it. I mean, one bookmark, they all look marvelous. I mean, they're really pretty when they're done. I have done up a couple of them, but I'm not sure where the completed ones are at this point. I could probably look for them, but it may take a bit of time to search, and I'm not seeing it right here where I figured it would be, so yeah. So I was transferring my videos to my computer and realized one of the videos, a part of this video that I had forgotten to add in on the original part. I re-recorded it and it wasn't there. So I'm recording this again, and in the meantime I started doing the diamond painting and I got number 8 on there. So that is started. And I forgot to mention that this does come with a really pretty tassel. I especially like those colors on the metal part up there at the top. Oddly enough, it actually matches my nail polish perfectly. It's so strange, but this, it feels like a really nice material. It's like the other tassels, but just wanted to be sure to let you know that it does come with the tassel that it shows in the picture. And yeah, so there it is. So back to your video. I'm sure you've seen them before, but like I said, I will try to get a picture up of it if I can get it completed before this video gets posted. So otherwise, that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. So have fun diamond painting, and check out this link down below. Don't forget, guys, to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care. Bye.